Hi everyone! So I just wanted to quickly make a video about the new Roman Szmal watercolors that came out. It seems like a lot of people don't know how many colors have just dropped, so I'm sort of going through this. The reason I'm making this video is because they're all on Jackson's right now, all of them. So if you want to quickly get them before they go out of stock, you can do that now. Here I am checking on the Jackson's website that it's all there and they're all in stock. None of them are like low stock or anything. So quickly get them before they become low stock. I can't get any of them because I want to, but I'm on a no buy 2022, so no more colors this year for me. But yeah, you guys go get them and let me know how it goes. For those of you who already know which colors you want, go ahead, go buy them. If you do go buy from Jackson's, please, please, please consider using my affiliate link down below in the description. It would be really, really helpful. And if you're not sure which ones to get, I'll show you a few resources to see swatches. So first of all, it's Jane Blundell's website. She's already swatched them out and scanned them, so you could see them here. You guys could take a look at it for yourself. There's a total of 15 new colors. I suggest looking at Jane Blundell's website because it's all there. 3 pages of 5 swatches, so just take a look. And another resource to look at swatches is on Mandy's Instagram. She's already swatched them out and she doesn't have any other photos except for the one on Instagram, but I think if you open it up on your computer, take a look, zoom in, zoom out, they look so beautiful, don't they? I'm really loving the browns. The raw sienna up to the iron chrome brown, all of them. And the last one, obviously, is Roman Szmal's Facebook page. They have the swatches of each of the colors, and if you're like me, I look at many pages, swatches, get a feel of what the color would be like. Swatches on different paper behave differently, so then they look differently on each person's swatch, things like that. I just quickly wanted to tell you for you to all go buy it before they all go out of stock. And please don't forget to consider, I'm not forcing you, just consider using my affiliate link, or you know what, any other small YouTuber's affiliate link. Well, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.